welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use Propanel. So just an overview. So for this, I have created a sample circuit, a very basic circuit where you can see the dual starter, and this is the power circuit, and this one is the control circuit for the starter. So basically now I'm going to place these components onto the control panel. So for that, I have to open Layout Space Navigator. So in the Layout Space Navigator, I have already placed the enclosure. So if I double click, I can see that enclosure here. And this is the part number which I have used in this particular demonstration. Close this. And now I'd like to have the mounting panel. So I can just right click on the enclosure and then go for show only mounting panels. And then I would like to choose the front view like this. And then if you want to rotate, all these options are here. Just simply click on this I button and you can freely rotate it, but I don't want to do that. I just want to go for the front view. So now I will use this 3D mounting layout navigator, which can be added from view opens. All the navigators are listed out here. So I have chosen 3D mounting layout navigator. And then I will be dragging the circuit breakers, or maybe I can just simply click on FC and then simply drag and drop here like this. So these breakers are now placed, and then I can place the contactors. Just simply drag and drop. Yes, I would like to place it completely, and I can simply place it here just for example. And then I'd also like to place the terminals. So there are two terminals or terminal strips here, XD1 and XD2. So once I click XD, and yes, I will say to select to place it completely. And then when I place it, it will start placing the terminals. And then again on cursor, I can see the terminal. This is basically the second terminal strip. So I can, for example, choose it here, place it here. So this is also now placed. Now we will just rotate and see how it looks like. This is how it is looking, right? So now maybe again, let me go for the front view, and then I can press Control A and select the complete enclosure, and then I can go for Edit and Routing Connections and simply click on Route. So with this, my enclosure would be, sorry, the components inside the enclosure will get routed. Now you can see the wires are generated based on the color codes which are defined on the circuit. And then also, if you want, you can simply select and press F on the keyboard. It gives you a jump back to the schematic, right? So that's how basically you can work with the placement of the devices on the panel and do the routing. If you want to see the complete details and the workflow around Propanel, please put a message in the comment, and based on that, we will plan to provide you the complete set of videos. Thank you.